ATC فاؤنڈیشن کے تحت چلائے جانے والے کرسنٹ انٹرنیشنل اسکول کی جانب سے مولانا ابوالکلام آزاد ریسرچ سینٹر میں سائنس ایگزیبیشن کا اہتمام کیا گیا، جس میں اسکولی طلباء کے ہاتھوں تیار کردہ سائنس ماڈلز رکھے گئے تھے جنہیں حاضرین نے خوب پسند کیا۔ اس نمائش میں اسکول کے ڈائریکٹر سرفراز خان، ڈاکٹر رفیق زکریا کالج فار ویمنز کے پرنسپل ڈاکٹر مخدوم فاروقی، عرفان سوداگر، ذکی الدین صدیقی، سہیل صدیقی، ڈاکٹر شعیب ہاشمی، موٹیویشنل اسپیکر پرویز خان، اکبر خان، عبدالصمد اور اسکول کی پرنسپل پاکیزہ میم مہمانان خصوصی کی حیثیت سے موجود تھے۔ اس نمائش میں کرسنٹ انٹرنیشنل اسکول میں زیر تعلیم 5ویں تا 8ویں جماعت کے طلباء کے ہاتھوں تیار کردہ سائنس ماڈل رکھے گئے تھے جنہیں مہمانوں نے خوب پسند کیا اور ان کی رہنمائی کرنے والے اساتذہ کی کاوشوں کی سراہنا کی۔ اس ضمن میں اسکول کے ڈائریکٹر سرفراز خان نے بتایا کہ اسکول میں طلباء تھیری تو پڑھ لیتے ہیں مگر ان کا عملی تجربہ کر کے پروجیکٹس تیار کر سکیں، اس غرض سے اسکول انتظامیہ کی جانب سے انہیں مختلف موضوعات دیے گئے تھے جن میں سے طلباء نے اپنے لیے پروجیکٹس منتخب کیے اور پھر اسکول اساتذہ کی رہنمائی میں نہ صرف سائنس ماڈل تیار کیے بلکہ انہیں خوبصورت انداز میں حاضرین کے سامنے پیش کیا۔ اس پروگرام کو کامیاب بنانے میں اسکول کے ٹیچنگ اور نان ٹیچنگ اسٹاف نے اہم رول ادا کیا۔
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Anam from 5th A and she is my friend Ashmira. Today we are going to present our science exhibition model, carbon purification from air. We all know that the air around is getting polluted every day because of smoke from vehicles, factories, burning of fuels. Our project shows how can we purify air using activated carbon filter. By using carbon purification, we can make the air around us healthier to breathe and also helps in fighting with global warming. So our project is a step toward clean air and a healthy future. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Areez and I am from 6B. Today we both have made this multiplication tables model with cardboard. It features a blue base with a multiplication and tables grid and red sliding elements that can be moved to a line number and reveal their product. On the right side of the table, you can see a box or sheet. Take a one sheet and give me. I will tell you once. 4 8s. 4 8s. 4 8s. That is 32. 4 8s 32. The answer will be 32.
Myself Sheikh Navira. These are my friends. And we have made the model on rainwater harvesting with hydroelectric power generation. In our model, the house has a sloping roof. When it rains, the water collected in this tub, just like in storage tank, and this water pump, and this water pump lifts the water into an overhead bottle, which acts like a tank.
Myself, Inam Banu Muhammad Abid Tikya, from class 9 from CIS. The curious scientists explore the wonders of human air working 3D model. Welcome to Exhibit, and I will take you on the journey of discovery. Now let's first understand the parts of an eye, then see how our eyes works. Human eye is a complex organ that allows to perceive light, color, and shape. Its work like camera, captured light and sending signals to the brain to create an image. First is cornea, the clear dome-shaped outer layer at the front of the eyes. Second is iris, the colored part of the eye surrounding the pupil and control the size of pupil light entering in the eyes. Third is pupil, the black circular opening in the center of the eye that expand in low light and contract in bright light. Fourth is lens, the transparent flexible structure behind the pupil focus onto retina by changing its shapes. Fifth is retina, the layer of light sensitive cell lining in the back of the eyes. Retina convert light into electrical.
See, we have organized this exhibition just for the children. They have taken lots of efforts and even the teachers have guided them. So it's a big event what we have organized this time, alhamdulillah say, and it was like really very nice. The children's imagination power has come out. That was important from us, and the explanation what they are giving. Inshallah, in future we are trying more such programs to be conducted. Inshallah. See, एक पसंद आने के लिए तो एक मेरे लिए बहुत difficult है judge करना. Everybody has tried their best. Inshallah, judge करना बहुत मुश्किल है मेरे लिए.
And we did not want to keep this as a competition.
Actually.
And that's why we named it a fair, not a competition. So there is no
Judgment.
ranking and judgment. We just wanted all the students to do the best they can and give them a platform to participate. So this is a STEM fair organized by Crescent International School from the grade 5 to 10 students. This is a science fair basically where students have worked in groups on several science and technology projects. Our objective was to inculcate in students teamwork and apply their knowledge, their learning into a project. Yes, so we are trying to move away from a theoretical approach to a more hands-on and practical approach. Students are learning science and technology through textbooks, but we wanted them to implement their knowledge through a project. And that basically culminated into this science exhibition. So the teachers do give them ideas, give them a list of options on which they can work on, but then the students are required to choose the topic, work in groups and implement the project by themselves. So teachers act as mentors and guide them towards the solution, but the students themselves come up with the solutions and the whole project.